Breaking the Wall of Chirality, Sara Grecchi, Falling Walls Lab, Italy.
To explain the concept of chirality, I would like to show you this paint from Caravaggio, representing the mythological figure of Narcissus, who was a guy that fell in love with himself. Well, actually, he fell in love with his mirror image. That was not him. But that's what chirality is, the property of an object to exist as two non-superimposable mirror physical images that are called enantiomers. The most common macroscopical example of chirality is represented by our hands. They are perfectly specular images, not superimposable. And even if they look very similar, right? They are not. Because me, as probably many of you, I cannot write or cut with my left hand, but just with the right one. And the same happens in chemistry with molecules, where chirality plays a crucial role, especially in the pharmaceutical field. In general, one enantiomer of a chiral drug could give you the desired effects, while the other one could be even toxic for human health. So you can perfectly understand the importance of having medicines constituted by just one of the two enantiomers. However, like in the case of our hands, also the enantiomers of a chiral drug are very similar. And therefore, such separation is highly challenging. Of course, there are many different techniques that are currently used also at industrial level for this purpose. But normally, these methods require huge instrumentations that are also sophisticated, expensive, and time-consuming. For all these reasons, we developed these miniaturized tubular devices that are able not only to separate the enantiomers of a chiral drug in an easier, faster, and cheaper way, but they are also able to move in the body and release just the enantiomer that you need on a specific target. We can also control their motion and predict and treat several different diseases. I would like to conclude my pitch asking to all of you if you can imagine a different way of taking drugs every day, from headache to digestive illness, or a different way to treat cancer, for example, instead of using chemotherapy, employing our devices that are able to release a reduced amount of the enantiomer that you need just on cancer cells. We are trying to pave the way for a more sustainable and safer future in healthcare, and I strongly believe that our technology holds an unquantifiable impact on society, on the availability of medicines and treatments all over the world, cutting the costs, minimizing side effects, and of course, breaking the wall of chirality. Thank you.